Hello everyone, so this is our week 10 beginning instrument lessons. So this is our beginning violin lesson for the week. We're in our Essential Elements book. So we're reviewing 8 notes. 8 notes are half a beat each. 2 8 notes is equal to 1 beat. 2 or more 8 notes have a beam across the stems. So you can see there's a beam going across to connect them. So we're going to do this week numbers 66 through 76. And we're focusing on the rhythms this week. 8 note, quarter, quarter. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Or as the video says, short, 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 long, long. So get ready to play along. Have your instruments ready. Use your rosin or bowl.
Short, 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 long, long. Short, 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 long, long. Short, 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 long, long. Short, 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 long. Long, short, short, 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 long. Long, short, 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 long, short, 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 long, 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 short, 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 long, short, 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 long. Long, 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 short, 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 long, 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 short, 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 long.
the beginner ukulele lesson for the week 10.
In this exercise, we'll review the fingerings for D minor and G7, and we'll practice switching between the two chords. D minor and G7 are two chords that are easy to switch between, and they sound great together. Let's hear how they sound in the context of this exercise. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. First up, let's review how to play D minor and G7. To play D minor, you want to put your middle finger on the second fret of the G string. Then we'll put our ring finger right underneath that on the second fret of the C string. Then put your index finger on the first fret of the E string and play open A. We'll strum all 4 strings down like this. That's your D minor. G7, we're going to play the open G string, then our middle finger on the second fret of the C string, index finger on the first fret of the E string, and a ring finger on the second fret of the A string. We'll strum all 4 strings down as well. Now notice between these two chords, we have one common finger, and that's the first finger, the index, on the first fret of the E string. So what you want to do is leave that finger down. You'll be here on the D minor. We're just going to move these other 2 fingers down like this to get to the G7. And that'll give you a head start on the next chord. This is called a pivot finger. So let's try and switch between these chords just a few times slowly, and we'll keep our tempo nice and slow until it starts to feel natural. Start on the D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll switch. Keep that finger down. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 2, 3, 4. Now let's try switching chords in time. We'll switch back and forth 5 times from D minor to G7, playing whole notes. Get ready, and I'll count you in. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time. 2, 3, 4. G7. 2, 3, 4. Third time. 2, 3, 4. G7. Keep that index finger down. Fourth time. 2, 3, 4. G7. 2. And last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. New chords, they can take time to feel comfortable under your fingers. So keep at it, and they'll start to feel easier to play.
Here's our beginner guitar lesson for this week. So you're going to strum on each of those chords, simple C. So you're going to strum the bottom 3 strings. Then simple G, bottom 3 strings. The full D, bottom 4 strings. We're going to strum those 8 times. So we're going to put this metronome on. Ready, go. C. G. D. Back to C. Good job. Okay, this is our beginner bass lesson for the week. You can practice holding your bow using your pencil. That's the French bow only. Then bowing motions, the pendulum. Let your arm hang down to your side while keeping your elbow straight. Swing your arm back and forth like a pendulum, like the picture. So that's the bowing motion. Okay, this week we're doing 17, 18, and 19. So we're starting with this hopscotch. So your G is your open string, and F sharp is 4 on that D string. So here's how the hopscotch goes. So it's going to go G, G, F sharp, rest. E is 1, E, E, F sharp, rest, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, G, G, G. Let's go to the next one. It's called Morning Dance. So here it goes. G, G, F sharp, D, G, G, F sharp, D, E, E, F sharp, G, G, G. Rest, and you're going to repeat again. Ready, go. G, G, F sharp, D, G, G, F sharp, D, E, E, F sharp, G, 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 rest. Okay, then we're going down to this song called Rolling Along. So this one is 2 lines long, so you're going to play the first line followed by the second line. So here we go. F sharp, E, D, E, F sharp,